In this video, we are going to see how to share a different data in a Facebook, your wall page. I'm going to check it out now. In the previous video, we have seen login, logout, and then create Facebook friends system, everything. So let's duplicate this button. So this button is going to have a share thing. So share feed, let's have a share feed. So just make sure that you can't able to share to your friends feed because Facebook don't allow to do that for developer. So we are sharing in our own feed, I mean in your own wall. Okay, so I just already added in the description the script, so you just grab and use for your project or your testing. So that's it. Okay, so now if you see, I'm going to have my tutorial link, okay, which I'm going to share in my wall. So I just grab my link and have your string URL. Okay, and let's have some text. Check out the Unity 3D teacher channel. I just watched 22 times of this channel. Whatever the text you like to have, I'm just manually modifying the text which I like to share for people. Okay, so I'm just modifying. It was a nice gaming developer channel. Okay, so everything has been set now. So let's build the product and check it out in mobile. Okay, let's go for a mobile and check. So we have installed the build in our mobile. So this is a mobile view. So let's log in first. Before share, we want to make sure to log in. So everything is work fine. Our profile picture, everything is loading in mobile device perfectly. Okay, so let's share that things which we added in share field. So it will ask for to create a post. Click on create post. So that's it, guys. Let's navigate to my Facebook page and let's see whether it has been posted or not in my wall. So click on the profile picture. Here in the post you can able to see that the post which I have been shared from Unity, it's reflected here. So that's it, friends. It's very easy and very simple to use. So that's it. You can able to directly change whatever you like to have. That's it, and thank you, and let's see for next video.